Those millions, Sam Silverstein was starting successful businesses way back in college. Since then, he's generated more than $100 million in sales. He's helped 60,000 people who subscribe to his newsletter make millions, but you're getting all the knowledge and experience.
Accountability is the highest form of leadership because accountability is a commitment between people. It's a commitment from the leader to those people around them first, and then an inspired commitment in return.
Don't make or accept excuses. Don't make excuses when you fail, and definitely don't accept them from others either.
That's what leadership is. It's taking the responsibility for the people you lead. You have the ability to impact their life beyond a surface level.
Accountability in a culture inspires creativity and innovation and openness to change. And when organizations are creative, innovative, and they're willing to change, they leave the competition behind.
I want to share a view of accountability that is different from probably anything you've ever heard.
A great set of values will lead to a great organizational culture.
Oh yeah, you know what I'm talking about. 10 books later and a whole bunch of other stuff is passed through, but my focus is on accountability because what I discovered is that accountability is the foundation for becoming the best that we can become, both individually but also as an organization.
The rules of business haven't changed. It's the field that we're playing on that has changed. Now more than ever, leadership needs to get it right because leadership is what brings us through tough times. And accountability is the characteristic that will create sustainability today and enable acceleration as we move forward tomorrow.
And we are live.
Sam, how are you doing today, man?
I'm amazing, Victor. It's great to be here with you.
Accountability is not a way of doing. Accountability is a way of thinking, and specifically, it's how we think about people. I hate it when a leader says, this isn't personal, this is business. Every interaction between human beings is personal.
Good leaders always turn to the people they know that will have the right answer, right? They affect your life beyond the surface level. Along the way, you will discover there's some few bonuses that I've planted in there for you that I think will bring a lot of excitement. I'll see you on the inside.